to see the wizard. Are you taking the piss? There's a fucking train that goes there. Oi, Tin Man. I know you haven't got an heart, but you got a pissing brain. You didn't tell me there was a train, did you? I got fucking bunions. Don't tell me to calm down, Lion, when you're not the one that's being chased by a fucking witch. And any sudden movement, you're behind a bastard tree because you're scared of your shadow. Or because of these fucking shoes. This shit anyway. I've got them in sale at Boo-Hoo. Oh, there's Glinda in a bubble. Oh, yeah. You wave, love. You wave. Failed to tell me about the train, didn't she? I just want to talk to her. No! Back off, Scarecrow. I just want to talk to her. I just want to talk to the little fucking slag.